What is the Renaissance? What if one period in history completely changed the way humans see art, science, and themselves? That period is known as the Renaissance. The Renaissance was a cultural movement that began in Italy around the 14th century and gradually spread across Europe, lasting until the 17th century. The word Renaissance comes from the French term meaning rebirth, and it perfectly describes what happened during this time. A rebirth of interest in the ideas, art, and knowledge of ancient Greece and Rome. Before the Renaissance, much of Europe was shaped by the Middle Ages, a time when religious authority dominated learning and creativity. During the Renaissance, however, people began to focus more on human potential, individual achievement, and the natural world. This new way of thinking is known as humanism. Humanists believe that studying subjects like literature, history, philosophy, and art could help people become more knowledgeable and virtuous. Art was one of the most visible changes of the Renaissance. Artists such as Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael revolutionized painting and sculpture by using realism, perspective, anatomy, and light in ways never seen before. Paintings became more lifelike, emotions more visible, and the human body was portrayed with incredible accuracy and beauty. The Renaissance was not limited to art. Science and innovation also flourished. Thinkers like Galileo Galilei and Nicholas Copernicus challenged long-held beliefs about the universe. Leonardo da Vinci designed flying machines, studied human anatomy, and combined art with scientific observation, embodying the ideal Renaissance man. The invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg played a crucial role in spreading Renaissance ideas. Books became cheaper and more accessible, allowing knowledge to reach a much wider audience than ever before. Ultimately, the Renaissance laid the foundations for the modern world. It encouraged critical thinking, creativity, and curiosity, values that still shape our lives today. More than just a historical era, the Renaissance represents a powerful shift in how humanity understands knowledge, art, and its own potential.